In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to decorate your Janitor AI profile. Open your browser and head to your preferred search engine. Type Janitor AI and press Enter. In the results, click the official Janitor AI website to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your account. Once you're on the site, look toward the top right corner and click your profile avatar or username. From the menu that appears, choose Profile to open your public profile page. On your profile page, select Edit Profile. This brings up the editor where you can personalize what visitors see. Start with your bio. Write a short, friendly introduction that explains who you are and what people can expect from you or your content. Keep it clear and personable, and avoid sharing private contact details. A couple of concise sentences usually work best. Aim for tone and keywords that reflect your style while staying easy to read. Next, add a picture to give your profile a recognizable visual. Click the gallery icon near your profile image area to open your file picker. Browse your computer, select a clear, high-quality photo or logo, and then confirm your choice. If cropping is available, center the most important part of the image so it looks good at different sizes. After you've chosen the image, click Confirm to upload it and attach it to your profile. For deeper customization, click the Styling or Customization icon in the editor. Here, you can change the background color. Pick a base color that fits your brand or mood. A neutral or muted tone often keeps things clean, while a bold color can make your page pop. Balance is key. Make sure it doesn't clash with your content. Then adjust the text color to maintain strong contrast. Dark text on a light background, or light text on a dark background, is typically the most readable. You can also enhance your page with a background effect. Choose from stars, autumn leaves, or time warp. Select the effect that best matches your vibe. Subtle effects keep things professional, while more dynamic ones add personality. Preview how the effect interacts with your colors to ensure nothing distracts from your bio and image. When you're happy with everything, click Save Changes. Give the page a quick refresh and, if possible, view it in a private window to see how it appears to others. If something looks off, maybe the text is hard to read or the image isn't centered, jump back into Edit Profile and fine-tune. That's it. With your bio, image, colors, and effects set, your Janitor AI profile is now polished, personal, and ready to impress.